Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Want to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Turbo on Yubo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like live, chat, activity, friends, and swipe. On the swipe, you can see there's a purple option with a rocket in it. Tap on it and you can use the turbo. Using turbo means getting more visibility. You will get noticed by tons of new people and you will also appear first in swipe for 5 minutes. Or you can increase it by paying more U-Bucks. You can increase it by 5 times per day, 10 times or 30. Well, to launch Turbo, you have to know that it's a paid feature. Once you tap on launch Turbo, you can see they're gonna ask you to pay. If you're willing to pay it, you have to tap on continue and pay for the U-Bucks. And guys, that's it. That's how you use Turbo in Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.